The SOS Solar Phone Charger is a powerful, eco-friendly, and portable charging solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and survival situations. It utilizes solar energy to charge mobile devices, making it ideal for off-grid adventures or times when electricity is unavailable. Here's a detailed overview of the SOS Solar Phone Charger and how it can be an essential tool for survival and everyday use. Key features of the SOS Solar Phone Charger. 1. Solar-powered charging. Harnesses solar energy. The SOS Charger is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that convert sunlight into usable electricity. This makes it perfect for remote locations where electrical outlets are unavailable. Environmentally friendly. By using the sun's energy, it provides a sustainable and eco-friendly way to keep your devices charged without relying on fossil fuels or traditional power sources. Free energy source. As long as there is sunlight, the charger will continue to provide power, offering an infinite source of energy as opposed to disposable batteries or fuel-powered generators. 2. High-capacity battery. Internal power bank. The SOS Charger often comes with a built-in high-capacity power bank that stores energy from the solar panels. This means you can charge the device during the day and store energy for use at night or in low-light conditions. Multiple device charging. Depending on the model, the power bank typically has a capacity of 10,000 mAh to 30,000 mAh, allowing it to charge multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, GPS devices, and other electronics. This is essential in a survival situation where staying connected is important. 3. Dual charging capabilities. Solar and USB charging. In addition to solar charging, the SOS Charger can often be charged via USB when access to an electrical outlet is available. This dual capability ensures that you can keep the power bank topped up, whether you're relying on solar energy or standard power sources. Quick charging. Some models offer fast charging technology, allowing your devices to charge more quickly, even when relying on solar power. 4. Durable and waterproof design. Weatherproof build. The SOS Solar Phone Charger is typically built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Many models feature a rugged, shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof design, making it highly resistant to environmental elements such as rain, dust, or impact. This durability is crucial for survival situations, where equipment needs to be reliable in any weather. Tough construction. Made from durable materials like ABS plastic or silicone, the charger can handle the wear and tear of outdoor adventures, ensuring that it functions even in challenging environments. 5. Built-in emergency features. LED flashlight. Many SOS chargers come with a built-in LED flashlight or emergency SOS light. This can be used as a regular light source in the dark or as a signaling device in emergencies, flashing an SOS pattern to alert rescuers to your location. Compass and carabiner. Some models include additional survival features such as an integrated compass for navigation and a carabiner for easy attachment to your gear, making it easier to carry during hikes or camping trips. Survival benefits of the SOS Solar Phone Charger. 1. Provides continuous power off-grid. Reliable in remote areas. When you're off the grid, whether camping in the wilderness, hiking in the mountains, or in a post-disaster scenario, the SOS Solar Phone Charger ensures you have continuous access to power. You can charge essential devices like smartphones, GPS units, radios, and even small lights or fans. Emergency communication. Keeping your phone charged is vital in emergency situations. The SOS Solar Charger ensures you can stay connected with loved ones, call for help, or receive important updates, even if the power grid is down. 2. Energy independence. No need for fuel or batteries. Unlike traditional generators that require gasoline or devices that rely on disposable batteries, the SOS Solar Charger provides an ongoing power source as long as there is sunlight. This energy independence is crucial in survival situations, allowing you to charge devices over and over again without external resources. Sustainable power source. In prolonged survival scenarios where fuel and batteries may be scarce, the ability to continuously harvest solar energy is a game-changer. This ensures you always have access to power, no matter how long you're off the grid. 3. Emergency signaling and lighting. Built-in SOS signal. In case of an emergency where you need to signal for help, the built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode can be used to send distress signals. This feature could be life-saving in situations where your phone isn't working or other means of communication are unavailable. Extended lighting. The powerful flashlight can provide long-lasting light, especially when you're navigating in the dark, setting up camp at night, or in need of an emergency light source during power outages. 4. Portable and lightweight. Easy to carry. The charger is typically compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack or attach to your gear using the built-in carabiner. Its portability ensures that it doesn't add significant weight to your survival kit or hiking gear, allowing you to move freely while still having access to power. Versatile placement. Many SOS Solar Chargers come with a carabiner or other attachment points so you can hook it to your backpack during hikes, allowing it to charge while you're on the move. 5. Weather-resistant and durable. Survives harsh conditions. Since survival often means facing unpredictable weather, the waterproof and durable nature of the SOS Solar Phone Charger ensures it works in rain, snow, or dusty conditions. Its rugged design means it can withstand the bumps and drops that come with outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Impact resistance. Many chargers are shockproof, meaning they can handle rough handling and drops without losing functionality, which is critical in tough survival environments. 6. Ideal for multi-day trips. Multiple device charging. The high-capacity battery and efficient solar panels ensure that you can charge multiple devices over several days, making it ideal for extended wilderness trips or emergencies where access to power might be cut off for long periods. Saves essential electronics. Whether it's a GPS, a two-way radio, or a medical device, the charger helps keep your most important electronics running, potentially saving your life in a dire situation. Practical applications for different scenarios. 1. Camping and hiking. Keep phones, GPS devices, and other gear charged. Use the built-in LED flashlight for nighttime visibility. Hook the charger to your backpack to charge while you hike. 2. Emergency preparedness. Essential for emergency kits in case of power outages or natural disasters. Keep communication devices and radios charged to stay informed. Use the SOS signal light to attract attention or signal rescuers. 3. Traveling and everyday use. Great for travelers who might not always have access to power outlets. Use the solar panels to charge devices while in transit or on the go. A backup power bank for daily life, ensuring you never run out of battery. Conclusion. The SOS Solar Phone Charger is an indispensable tool for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, and survival situations. Link below checks description. The product's link is in the description box. If you want to purchase the products. Thanks for watching.